Good day, Jeff Kitzmiller here for your Sunday, October 10th planning briefing. The main points that I want to focus on today are the much cooler temperatures and lower snow levels starting really today, but tonight. Snow chances for Monday and Tuesday, especially in counties of Lemhi, Beaverhead, Madison, Silverbow, Deer Lodge, and Granite. Another round of snow Wednesday into Thursday, and then just warming and drying for the end of the week and the weekend. The overall weather pattern is showing a trough that's moving in to the region today, and a low that's going to bring moisture and precip and snow, cold front as well that actually passes today. And then there's a little disturbance that looks like it's possible Wednesday into Thursday, and then high pressure building in as we get into the end of the week. But there's still a little flow over us, so we could end up with a little bit of moisture, but a warming trend is looking more likely. Let's look at our radar projection starting tonight. Lemhi County really starts to show up with snow overnight. Southwest Montana, the Beaverhead, Deer Lodge really filling in, and some pretty heavy snow expected in the southern portion of that. Start to see Silverbow, Deer Lodge, and Granite counties get into the mix, and even part of Ravalli County south of and including Scalcahoe Pass. All of this area here looks like it should have snow. So that starts tomorrow and then continues through Monday night, Tuesday, looks like Tuesday morning, and then it starts to move its way out sometime during Tuesday. So let's look at what kind of snow chances we have. So the probability of just getting measurable snow is pretty high when you look at that line that I had mentioned, and then even in the high terrain of north central Idaho. Along the divide, Glacier Park has some measurable snow chances as well. If we look at 1 inch of snow, it is still the same line, but a lot of area gets dropped out. And if we look a little bit higher, up to 2 inches, still some probability of places like Butte being able to get that. And then over 4 inches of snow, most of that probability is in the high terrain and in the southern Beaverhead, Deer Lodge. Looking at some more focused, detailed versions of snow, GilmoreSummit is one of the places that is in our forecast area that could have majority of the snow. It looks like there's a peak period Monday morning, and that's when we're saying you could get about 4 inches of snow during that time. You see the temperature trace here, well below freezing, and it stays below freezing for a majority of the week there. And then HomestakePass again, sometime tomorrow morning, it looks like light snow will develop, and then should start to see some accumulations pretty much throughout the day and all the way into Tuesday morning. Similar trace of lower temperatures and below freezing. And then Butte, some snow chances. Some of these could be higher, some could be lower. There's still just a little bit of uncertainty on how far north the snow will be, but we have some pretty high confidence that there will be snow at Butte. Looking at the main area that is of concern is here where we're seeing more of the yellows and oranges, is where we think that some of the higher impacts will be. And Silverbow County, part of that, especially in the higher terrain, looks like it's focused for some impacts, and this is valid through Tuesday. And the threat matrix mimics pretty much what we were seeing in the previous slides, so that high impact down in southwest Montana, snow on passes starting on Monday, and then we transition to more of a lower snow level and more snow showing up, possibly even some near and around Missoula, especially in the high terrain around Missoula. And then not too much showing up for Wednesday except for some snow at pass level, mountain snow. Thursday, another round of snow is possible, and then clearing things out for Friday. Overall, more of a wintry type focus for this week, and then we'll get to the weekend and see that warming trend. If you have any questions, please let us know.